In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product page on Google Sites fast and easy. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, providing a straightforward way to set up a product page without any hassle. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through each step to help you get your product page up and running in no time. First, you'll need to go to the Google Sites homepage. Simply open your web browser, head over to Google, and search for Google Sites. Click on the first link, which should take you directly to their official page. Alternatively, if you have a Google Sites account, log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard displaying all your existing sites. Next, navigate to the specific site where you want to add your product page. If you've already created a site, you should see it listed on your dashboard. Click on that site to open it. If you haven't created a site yet, you might want to take a quick detour to set one up, which is a simple process and involves selecting a template that suits your needs. Once you're inside the site, locate the page where you wish to showcase your product. This could be an existing page that you've set aside for products or a new page that you'll create, depending on your site's structure and design. Click on that page to proceed. Now comes the exciting part, adding content to your product page. Look for the Content Blocks panel, typically on the right-hand side. This panel helps you add various elements to your page, such as text, images, and layouts. Click on a layout option that aligns with your product display vision. Most layouts will offer slots for an image, a description, and additional information like pricing. After selecting your preferred layout, drag it onto your product page. This action creates a placeholder where you can begin adding your product details. It's all about getting those critical details lined up: your product image, name, and price. Upload a high-quality image, enter a captivating name that grabs attention, and set the price. To enhance your user's experience, you might want to add a purchase button. This button can redirect visitors to a checkout page, making the buying process seamless. It's an essential component for any product page aimed at converting visitors into customers. Finally, to make all these changes visible to the world, click on Publish. This crucial step will update your site and make the new product page live. Ensure you review the site before publishing to catch any potential errors or make any last-minute adjustments. And that's it. You've successfully created a product page on Google Sites. It really is that fast and easy. By following these steps, you can have an attractive and functional product page that showcases your offerings and helps drive sales. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.